Hi, thank you for checking out this info session on the Inspiring Women in STEM 2023 conference event app. My name is Jamie, and I am the Director of Marketing and Communications for Delaware Bioscience Association. First and foremost, we want to thank you for registering for Inspiring Women in STEM 2023 conference, and we look forward to seeing you on Thursday, October 19th at Clayton Hall. Today, I just wanted to go over one of the new features for the conference this year, which is our conference app. And one of the big highlights of the conference app is the ability to schedule one-on-one in-person networking sessions during our networking time at the end of the conference. Networking sessions will run from 2:45 to 4:30 p.m. And I'm just going to run through on the app how to schedule those networking sessions. Today, we'll be doing the app on the website. You can also download it and access it from your phone, which I would suggest because you can take session notes during the conference in the app. It also provides an interactive floor plan and the agenda for the day, speaker profiles, mentor of the day profiles, and much more. So as I mentioned, one of the big things is the one-on-one in-person networking. So if you go into the app, you will notice that you have some tiles here. And it's really easy to set up these sessions. All you really need to do is go to the profile section, and you can filter this by name, organization, or keywords such as someone's title. And then once you find the person that you are looking for, I am going to look for my boss, Michael Fleming, and try to schedule a meeting with him. So when I type Michael's last name in, his profile pops up here. If I want to view his profile, I can click on his name and it'll take me into an elongated version of his profile. Also a quick view option as well. But beneath that, there's three circles. There's the meet me, the message, and the add to favorites. Obviously, if you click the favorites, it'll add it to the favorites list, which you can access from the app on your phone. If you'd like to send this person a message, but not schedule a meeting, you can do that with the message me. And if you would like to schedule a one-on-one session with this person, you can click the meet me. It's going to bring you into this screen for meetings request. And obviously, Michael will be at the top. If you do want to add more people to your networking session, you have the option to do that by clicking add more people button and selecting the additional people that you would like to include. The meeting should already be set for Thursday, October 19th. And then it's going to offer you the time slots that that person has available for meetings. So I am just going to select Michael's first available time slot. And then location, you can select assign me a location. Once the meeting has been confirmed by the other party, you will receive notification via email. And if you have app on your phone, you will also receive it in the notification section in the app that the meeting has either been confirmed or declined. You can type a subject line in here and a description. I'm just going to type test, and then you can click invite. You will know that the invitation was sent because you will receive the meeting request has been sent successfully pop up. Just click OK. And then Michael would then receive an email stating that I wanted to schedule a networking session with him. And obviously, he has the choice to accept or decline that meeting. Now, if you wanted to see what meetings you have scheduled. You can click on the meetings tile. It's been a long day. And you can check out your um, meetings that you're waiting a confirmation, meetings that have been confirmed, meetings that you have requested, which is the one meeting that I just requested with Michael, meetings that you canceled, which obviously I've been practicing with Michael. So we canceled those. And then if you have any declined meetings, they would be in this area as well. So that is just a brief overview on how to use the meetings feature in our conference app. I would suggest, planning ahead and trying to schedule your meetings prior to the conference day. Sometimes it just gets a little overwhelming and there's a lot going on and you can forget to schedule a meeting, or the person that you want to meet with could be booked up. All of our networking meetings will be taking place during our afternoon networking tea. So even if you do have to wait for a meeting or your meeting finishes early, you can still feel free to join us for the networking afternoon tea. If you have any questions with the app, if you need assistance, you can always contact our office by phone at 302-635-0445, or you can contact me via email, jamie.pedrick@delawarebible.org. I'm sure that you have some of our emails with my email address on them. We will also have someone that is working a help desk for the app on the day of the conference. So if you have any trouble on site, we will still be able to help you on the day of the conference. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you on the 19th.